This video is produced by Seamless Systems strictly for educational and documentary style content. All visual scenes, factories, machinery, and processes shown in this video are digitally created using artificial intelligence and are illustrative only. They do not represent real factories, real manufacturing facilities, real brands, or actual production processes. Any resemblance to real world factories, companies, products, or industrial system is purely confidential. This content does not promote unsafe, unethical, illegal, or harmful industrial practices. The video fully complies with YouTube's synthetic media policies, community guidelines, and educational fair use standards. Thank you.